This is another video in our series on the ancient Greeks in Bactria. This is northern Afghanistan, the location of the city of Balkh. Medieval Islamic scholars referred to Balkh as al-Balad, the mother of all cities, the prototype of all urban centers. This depiction is due in part to the city's importance and history that extends far back into antiquity. 2,000 years ago, Balkh was called Bactria. It was the capital of a militarily powerful Hellenistic kingdom in the region known as Bactria or Bactriana. This Greco-Bactrian kingdom arose in the period following the conquests of Alexander the Great and the Greek colony he established here. During the subsequent Seleucid period and the era of the Greco-Bactrian kings, the frontiers were stabilized with the vigorous installation of numerous military settlements, and the Greek population increased considerably as well. Bactria was ruled by Greek warrior kings. These included Dioditus, Euthydemus, Eucratades, and Demetrius, among many others. Renowned for its wealth, prosperity, and urbanization, ancient historians referred to Bactria as the land of 1,000 cities. The Roman historian Justin referred to the Greek king Dioditus as the ruler of the 1,000 cities of Bactria. And Apollodorus of Artemita said that the Bactrian king Eucratades held 1,000 cities as his subjects. Was there any truth to these assertions? The only eyewitness account of this period we have was written by Zhang Qian, the Chinese envoy of the Han Emperor, who visited the area in the year 127 BCE. He paints an entirely different picture of Bactria and its people. Zhang Qian observed that the Bactrians everywhere lived in small walled towns and settlements under local chieftains without a paramount ruler. Zhang Qian also remarked that the Bactrians were weak and fearful of war. These statements are irreconcilable with what we know about the powerful militaristic kingdom of Euthydemus and Eucratades and their fearsome armies. What happened? The explanation is that Zhang Qian arrived after the invading Yuezhi nomads depicted here had established military control over Bactria around 145 BCE. Zhang Qian's account suggests that by the time of his visit, the powerful militaristic Greek Bactrian kingdom had collapsed into many autonomous towns and villages. Some historians believe that before the Yuezhi arrived, the Greco-Bactrian military aristocracy, having suffered decades of warfare and nomadic incursions by the Saka, such as these, and weakened by Eucratades' lengthy and costly wars, abandoned Bactria to the nomads. Allusions to the 1,000 cities of Bactria, we may deduce, was probably a reference to the many fortified settlements established by the Seleucids and the Greco-Bactrian kings. There is some archaeological evidence for the existence of such settlements along military frontiers to the north and west, functioning as a bulwark of Hellenism against nomadic incursions and other enemies until the collapse of the Greek kingdom around 145 BCE.